Hi, this is Marco Brown with Brown Law. Today I wanted to talk to you about something called nesting. Nesting is something divorced people do when they want to keep the kids in the marital home. They want to give them stability. So what they do is they keep the kids there, and then they, the ex-spouses, get an apartment or another house or something like that, and then trade off living in that house. So say they share 50-50 custody. One parent will live the kids for a week, and the other parent will actually live in this other house or apartment, and then they just switch off. Now, the reason people do this is to give stability for the kids in the marital home and to save costs. It's really mostly about cost savings, though. Now, I gotta tell you, this is a terrible idea. Please don't ever do it. And the reason for this is you just don't want to live in the same house where your ex lives. You didn't want to live there when you were married, and you don't want to live there now. So don't do it. And the other thing is, I see a lot of what I call spousal spying going on in the other house, the one you trade off on. So I've seen people audio record their ex over there, video record them. It is just not a good situation. Even with the kids in the marital home, they'll audio record those conversations to try to use it in the future if they have a dispute over parent time or want to change things. The other thing I see a lot is there's a huge amount of fighting that goes on because one person, when they're living in the other home, they'll bring their boyfriend or girlfriend there, they'll kind of mess things up, and then the other person comes and they have to clean everything up, and your ex is there living with their boyfriend or girlfriend. There's just no good way that this happens. It never lasts. I think the longest I've ever seen it last is about 6 months without it blowing up. So just don't do it. When you get divorced, you're probably going to sell the house. If you don't sell the house and one person stays there, they're going to refinance the house. Just accept that. Accept that that's going to happen. You're probably going to have 2 different homes, and the kids are going to go to 2 different homes. That's okay. The kids will adjust. This nesting is actually much worse on the kids because it's much worse on the parents and creates a tremendous amount of undue stress. So do not nest. If it ever comes up in negotiation, just say no. If you need help with your divorce, let us know. Our number is 801-685-9999.